how to find a Binance wallet address on desktop. If you want to find your Binance wallet address, because Binance wallet address is usually used for receiving cryptocurrency, just like how you need your bank account number to receive money to your bank account. Go to binance.com and log into your account. At the top right hand side, you can see the deposit option. Simply click on deposit and select this option that says deposit crypto. Once you select deposit crypto, wallet address depends upon the type of cryptocurrency that you're trying to deposit. So if you're trying to deposit Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin wallet address. If you're trying to deposit or receive Solana, you need to give or select your Solana wallet address. So in the search coin tab, simply search for the type of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency that you're looking to get the wallet address of. Once you search it, you also have to select your network carefully, because if you're sending from another network, you have to select the same network right here. Once you basically select your network, here you will see your deposit address, which is your wallet address. Now you can just hit the copy button to send it to someone who's trying to send you that particular form of cryptocurrency. This way you'll be able to find your deposit wallet address on Binance. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.